Standing at over 3,400 meters tall, Gunung Slamet provides a stunning backdrop to the surrounding countryside. Despite the potential danger posed by its frequent eruption, the local communities have learned to live in harmony with the volcano, relying on it for fertile soil that support their crop crops and livestock. Gunung Slamet is also a popular destination for trekkers and hikers who come to challenge themselves on this slope and enjoy the breathtaking views from its summit. Whether you are a local or